which AZDOME M550 is right for you. This is Tajamul Adil. The AZDOME M550 series including two fantastic options, the M550 and the M550 Max 4K dashcam. Each one is packed with features that you are looking for. In this video, I will break down the features that will help you decide which one is right for you. So let's jump into it. First, which dashcam boots are faster, the M550 or the M550 Max? Let's find out. Let's talk about display. Both M550 series features a 3-inch screen, which is better for reviewing your footage. But the M550 Max display gives you a clearer view of every detail. What do you think as you see in this video? In the night mode, I feel the M550 display screen gives you a clearer view than the Max. Am I right? Want to capture your drive in the best quality? Both M550 series offer 4K resolution, but the M550 4K resolution is 2560 into 1440, which is considered a 4K resolution or QHD resolution, whereas the M550 Max 4K resolution is 3840 into 2160, which is ultra high definition, also known as UHD. In the coming section, I will share 4K resolution, so keep watching it. Are you curious about which dash camera offered better audio quality? Now let's compare the M550 with the M550 Max in terms of audio performance. This is the testing sound of AZDOME M550 series. I'm using M550 normal dash camera and I'm using AZDOME M550 Max dash camera, and this is a testing sound. I hope you're listening to your sound. Comparing both dash cameras, AZDOME M550 and AZDOME M550 Max dash camera, and this is a testing sound. Both cameras promise high quality footage, but which one truly delivers? I believe side by side video footage for day and night gives you a better understanding. Now I will compare the size, dimensions and build quality of these dash cameras. Last but not least, time to share video footage which I have recorded in the day, evening and night mode, which will help you to decide which one fits your needs. In this quick comparison, I have highlighted the difference between AZDOME M550 and Max, which will help you to decide which one is best for you. I didn't talk about the price, which is very important for you, right? Don't worry, it will not break your bank. The M550 buying price is $149.99 and max price is $169.99. See, I told you both of these cameras are budget oriented cameras and they will not break your bank. Let me know in the comment section which dash camera you decided to buy. Don't forget, you can find the buying links in the video description. And if you are interested to buy a budget-oriented Apple CarPlay screen, then click on this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in this video.